I can assure you that this sad story of I'm too old to get a job, they don't want to hire me because I'm too old, is the truth. And it's nothing new. I suffered the same problem back in the 90s when I was making a career change, 20 years ago, before I ever started Uncle Harry, the training school. For a short time, I worked at Management Recruiters, a national recruiting firm. There was one recruiter that had a soft spot for guys over 50, and he would try to find them jobs. The younger guys in the office would make fun of him, and they'd say, "Ha! Joey's running another gray hair up the flagpole. He's wasting his time again." Well, perhaps you're faced with the same situation. Laid off a couple of times. They give you a few interviews and tell you they found somebody better. Yeah, they found somebody younger. That's what they did. You know it. I know it. They know it. They just slide under the rules and don't hire you. Well, back then, I said, screw you corporations. I'm going to pick up the tools, put my tool belt back on that I hadn't done for some years, and go out and make some real money. And I did. And now, if you are willing and able to put out some sweat equity, I can show you exactly how to do what I did when I was in my 50s. Perhaps it's time for you to get off your duff, make some big decisions, start a new career, and tell Big Brother to take a walk.